Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how we can map the objects without using third-party libraries like Mapster or AutoMapper. And we know that these libraries are asking for licensing as well. So in this scenario we will use a very different approach to map the objects, and it is a very faster, very clean and very maintainable approach to map the objects. Okay, and everything will be started from the scratch, so that you won't get any confusions while implementing this step. Okay, so I hope you will learn a lot in this video. So what I am trying here, that I have created around four APIs, four minimal APIs to do these things. Okay, so simply we will implement that approach in these four APIs, and we will learn that how the things will work and how should we start from there. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. Let me show you something, that this is my employee model. Okay, and this there are around six entities in this model, which is employee ID, employee name, employee age, email, phone and city. This is the common details we always work with the employees related information. So first what we have to do, simply we need DTOs, and first we need to understand what is DTOs. DTOs are data transfer objects, which means that we whenever we trying to hit the APIs, then from the front end we always take the parameters from the DTOs, and it is the best practice to use the DTOs on the API side. Okay, if you are using an entity model directly on the APIs on the client side, so it can be risky for your application as well. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. So first let me create a folder with the name of DTOs. Okay, like this, and I will create an class, which I will name it as a uh, employee DTO. Okay, like this. First let me create the records. So simply I will just use public field and record, and I will name it as a mm, create employee uh, request DTO, like this. Okay, and simply I will uh, choose the properties and names similar to this. So I will take. Okay, so these things I I will put in this DTO, in this record DTO. Okay, and we need another DTO for updating the values. Okay, and everything will be same, but we know that while we are updating the records, we always uh, we always need the row ID as well. So in case of uh, updations of record, we always need ID. So and everything will be same as well. So let me copy paste here, or let me add a new employee ID. Okay, like this. New field is employee ID. Like this. So we have two request model, one for create and one for updating the records, and the last one will be response as well. Guys, definitely we always return the response from the APIs as well, while we are getting the records from the table. Okay, so simply I will just name it as a employee response DTO, like this. Or and it will contain all the fields similar to the update updates of the employee like this. Okay, so in this way we create the DTOs with the help of records. We will do simply, I will create another class. Okay, and I will name it as the employee mapping extension like this. Okay, so we have created the employee mapping extension class. Now what we will do, I will create the method to create the DTO from the uh, employee entities. So let's see how I can do. Simply I will just create the static method, and the response will be uh, let me go there. Okay, so I will create the response type as a response DTO, that I will name it as a 2DTO. Okay, and simply uh, I will pass the employees entities, okay, like this, and I will return a new employee DTO, or simply employee ID. Okay, now what I will pass the next employees dot employees name, and make sure that guys the orders should be similar to the records that we have passing the parameters in the records. Okay, so you have to follow this order as well. Employees dot city like this. So in this way we can create the DTO from the employees entity. Okay, so we will see the implementation of this, and we will implement this method to the APIs. Okay, now I will create another method which is uh, public static and it and return type will be employees. Okay, and I will create the entity from the DTO. So this and I will choose the DTO is the create employee request DTO like this. Okay, or simply I will return a new employee. Okay, or now what I will pass here, I will simply I will just pass as a DTO dot city. Okay, no, it is not a record here, so simply I will do like this. Okay, so email. Okay, and the employee phone, city, or after this employee age, or employee name as well. Okay, or DTO dot employee name. Okay, or now I will create another method in case of updating the records. Okay, so employees or entity this, or update employee request DTO like this. I will name it as DTO, or return new employees. Okay, or simply I will copy these 5 things first. Okay, like this, or I will pass parameter which is employee ID. Okay, because we always need the raw ID uh, while we are working with the updating the records. Okay, so guys, let me ask you something, that the method name is similar. Okay, and the return type is also similar. Okay, but the parameter is different. So this like what we call this scenario when we fulfill this condition in a class. Okay, so do let me know in the comment section if you know the answer. Okay, and if you like, if you are know the answer, if you are correct, then I will give you a shout out uh, on the comment box. Okay, so in this way uh, we created the extensions for mapping the objects. Now this time to execute and this time to implement this extension that we have created right now. Okay, so simply I will go to the program CS, and there I have created these four minimal APIs. So first let me do something that uh, I'm getting the list of employees entities. Okay, so I want to I want to get the DTOs. So how we can do this? Simply I will just select and simply I will just convert to the DTO like this. So in this way we can create and we can map the employees uh, entity to the DTO. Okay, now the next thing is that I'm getting the records by ID, employee ID. So the response type is employees. Okay, so it is asking like I'm getting a single record. Okay, so in this scenario what I will do, simply I will just convert either to DTO. Okay, so in this way like we have created the response in the form of DTO. Now the next thing is that uh, whenever I work with the creating the records and updating records. Okay, so we always need the body parameter. Okay, so in this scenario what we are seeing that directly I'm using the entities model. Okay, and which is not a good practice in terms of API building. So we will replace those things with the uh, DTOs. Okay, so or I will paste it here, or what I will do, uh, I will simply just name as a to entity. Okay, like this. So in this way I have turned to entity from the DTO. Okay, so in this way we use the extension methods that we have created in this class to DTO, to entity, and to entity from the DTO class. Okay, so now let's see the another thing. Okay, and let me show you something that how we can work with the updating the records. Okay, so simply I will just paste here. Okay, and I will make it as to entity. Okay, so simply in this way we have done all of things, and I hope guys you love this video and you found it very helpful. Okay, or and trust me guys, this is the very fastest way, and it is a very secure way to mapping the objects. Okay, and without using a third party libraries. Okay, and this is the most powerful and most maintainable way to mapping the objects in the ASP.NET Core applications. Okay, so I hope you love this content and you love this video, and thank you for watching this video till here. And guys, I just want to remind you that please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, and your network as well, and hit the like button. We have successfully finished the Docker playlist. Okay, if you want to learn Docker deploy Docker with ASP.NET Core, so we have 5 videos in that playlist. Okay, within 5 videos you will learn Docker entirely. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till here. So till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.